Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to receive money on Zelle. In order to receive money on Zelle, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, you have to create your Zelle account. And when you're done creating your account, then you have to log in into your account. Once logged in from the home page, you have to select the recipient from whom you're actually receiving the amount. And once done selecting the contact, then type in the information, that is the exact amount that you wish to receive. When you type in the exact amount, click on review, and as you do that on the other page, you have to go ahead and enter in the description as well if you want to do it so, and click on request. When you do that, the other person will be notified that you've actually requested money, and he or she will then be able to send you the money, and eventually you'll receive the amount on your Zelle app. So that's how you can receive money on Zelle app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.